Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Roxy Tyrell, and if it's your first time stopping by, hi, hello. I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you do, just go ahead and hit the red button down below, which is the subscribe button, and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy this video. With that being said, let's get right into today's video. So today, I'm gonna do a DIY picture canvas. Yes, you could have a professionally made, which going to cost you like a good couple dollars. Now you could go out and buy the products and DIY yourself. First, you're going to need the pictures that you want to DIY onto your canvas. You will need your Mod Podge. You could either get matte or you could get the glossy finish. I got the glossy finish. You need some paintbrushes. You need more than one paintbrush. So I got some acrylic paint in black from Walmart. Gloves. I'm gonna go ahead and start painting my canvas. Okay guys, so right here you can see I am painting my canvas around the rims of black. I do not know what happened to my audio for some odd reason. So yeah, and so I am doing a voiceover. So I'm just gonna go ahead and paint my canvas. And I did a couple of them. For the big canvases, I did not go ahead and do a collage. That's what I wanted to do with the bigger canvases. But I'm going to do a designer inspired type of thing. Knockoff, boo-boo. Because a girl ain't rich, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, I was talking into the camera. This is why I don't use my camera. I have a Canon T7i camera, and I don't really know how to use it. But yeah, this is what my canvas is looking like. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish that up, Then I'm gonna go ahead and open my Mod Podge and basically paint over my canvas, the entire top. Now, you have to let the paint dry before you paint a layer of Mod Podge onto the canvas. So I let it dry first, then I go ahead and paint a layer of Mod Podge. Then I will then go ahead and lay down what picture I want. And the reason why I have the sunglasses on is because I went outside and let the paint sit on the canvas and go check my mailbox. So don't pay me no mind. I was feeling bougie, you know what I'm saying? Fashion over glasses, what's up? But yeah, look, that's me going crazy for my canvas because it looks so good. So I didn't know what I was doing. This is my first time doing it, so I was just trying to press it in. But after I finished pressing it in quotation, the pressing in, that's what it looks like. I'm gonna go ahead and I think I painted some more. I put some more pictures down. Yeah, I think that's what I did. Now, once those pictures are layered on, I will then go ahead and top a layer of Mod Podge onto the picture. I make sure I get the sides also. I love that one with me and Jaden. It's so cute. And it's in black and white, so it goes perfect. So yeah, that big black spot in my forehead, y'all. Let me tell you what happened. So one night I was on the phone with my guy, and listen, I've been sleeping with my phone charger, iPad, tablet, charger, extension cord. I sleep with a lot of stuff on my bed. But that particular night, for some reason, my charger was just hot. I woke up on my charger. For some reason, I slept in my makeup, and I woke up and I saw makeup on my charger, but my forehead wasn't hurting me or anything. Right here, guys, I'm just looking through what pictures I want to put down. But I woke up and I saw makeup on my charger. I'm like, Then I went to go wash my face. When I went to wash my face, I saw a big red spot in my forehead. So I was like, hey, was there a duppy? Was there a ghost in here? Like, what happened to my forehead? I have no idea. I thought I was going crazy. So when I was talking to my dude, I was like, what happened? And I'm like, so when I woke up, I saw makeup on my charger. So I'm like, that's what happened. All right, guys. So right here, you can see I'm just putting a layer of Mod Podge. It looks white, but baby girl, let me tell you, They're gonna dry clear. So I'm just putting that onto the canvas. And I did get the size. Yeah, girl, you gotta get the size, boo boo. But yeah, I don't know if this was before or after my birthday, because this wig looked laid. This wig was laid. I think this was after my birthday. Yeah. Yep. But yeah. I hope you guys are having a wonderful New Year's. I hope everything is going well for y'all. Yeah, I hope y'all leave all the negativity in 2020, because let me tell you, me personally, 2020 wasn't a bad year for me. It actually opened a lot of windows for me, helped me to see and realize a lot of stuff. Financially, I wouldn't say I was affected. I actually made more money last year, ain't gonna cap. But yeah, a lot of toxic and negativity and negative people got out of my life. Thank you, Lord. So yeah. Watch the girl I lip langy. Oh, I got some big lips. I look mad. Who stole my candy? Like, what's up? Yeah, y'all. I'm just okay. So once everything is dried up, I'm gonna go ahead and insert a clip of me showing you guys all the finished product, and I'm gonna do another DIY canvas where I cut up some sheet that I purchased from my brother, Elite Boss Boutique, on Facebook and Instagram. You guys could check them out. They have a lot of designer items. I'm gonna use one of those sheets and I'm gonna use it on a canvas. So that should be cool. So yeah, stay tuned for that, you guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye. Okay, guys, so this is the finishing product of the canvases. I love it. I need to finish the rest and put them up in my home. But yeah.